In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize documents in iCloud Drive on your iPhone and iPad, guiding you through understanding Apple's Files app. If you're like most people, your digital life seems to grow more cluttered by the day, and managing your documents efficiently can be a game changer. So let's dive right in and get started. To begin, grab your iPhone or iPad and locate the Files app. This app is a hub for all your files and documents across different locations, including your device and iCloud Drive. Once you tap to open it, you are one step closer to organizing your digital workspace with ease. Now focus on navigating to iCloud Drive, your personal cloud storage space. To do this, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on Browse. This will display a menu of different places you can access, but your goal is to select iCloud Drive under the Locations menu. This is where you'll be creating folders and sorting your files, making it simpler to find what you need when you need it. The next step is setting up new folders to keep your documents neatly organized. For this, locate the three-dot icon in the top right corner of the screen and give it a tap. Here, you will see an option labeled New Folder. Select that and a prompt will appear, allowing you to name your folder. Choose a name that corresponds to the type of documents you plan on storing there, such as work projects or personal finance, and then tap Done. This small action will have a significant impact on how intuitively you can access your files. After creating your folders, it's time to move documents into them. Start by tapping and holding a file you want to move. Alternatively, if you're dealing with multiple files, tap on Select and choose the files in bulk. Once you have your files ready, tap Move, then browse to the folder you created earlier and complete the move. Organizing your documents in this manner not only streamlines your digital space, but also saves you from future headaches searching for lost files. In your quest to maintain a tidy digital filing system, there will be times when you need to rename, delete, or even share certain files. To perform any of these actions, simply tap and hold on a file until a menu appears. From this menu, choose either Rename, Delete, or Share. Each of these options helps ensure that your digital space remains as dynamic and useful as possible to meet your needs. And there you have it, a streamlined guide to organizing your documents in iCloud Drive using the Files app on your iPhone or iPad. Taking these steps not only helps in reducing digital clutter, but also maximizes productivity by making essential documents easy to find and manage. Happy organizing!